Coyote Chronicles, Masters of Adaptation. Insights into the resilient living legacy of nature's trickster.
By AI for Kids. This series embarks on an enlightening journey into the world of the coyote, one of nature's pivotal species. Through an in-depth look into their lives, behaviors, and symbolism, we explore how these incredible creatures embody the spirit of resilience and adaptability. May these pages inspire a greater appreciation for the coyote's role in nature and their symbolic messages across cultures and time. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
The Call of the Coyote.
Coyotes are masters of communication. Their distinctive howls and yips can echo across vast landscapes, creating the illusion of a larger pack and ensuring the safety of their territory. This vocal prowess is not just a survival tool but also a form of social bonding. Gathered in the moonlit desert night, a group of coyotes raises their voices to the stars, forming a melodic blend of camaraderie and structural order.
It is dusk, and the sky is painted in hues of orange and pink. The air is filled with an anticipatory hush before the coyote's chorus begins. First a lone howl, then others join a building symphony of wilderness connecting, each note serving as both declaration and embrace. As the cool breeze ruffles its fur, the coyote takes a moment to revel in the collective howl. It is more than a sound, it is a signal of unity, a testament to their adaptable nature.
Urban pioneers.
Coyotes have embraced the growing urban landscapes, cleverly finding niches in city life. Whether by scavenging discarded food or slipping through alleyways under the cover of darkness, these adaptable creatures display incredible resourcefulness. Their adaptability indicates not just survival but thriving amidst mankind's expanding footprint. Urban coyotes often surprise city residents, reminding us of the wild hearts that still beat in our concrete jungles.
Nighttime transforms the city a concrete jungle with coyotes moving like shadows, exploring with curious eyes and measured movements. Their presence a silent testament to nature's perseverance amidst human expansion. Navigating the labyrinth of structures and noise, the coyote senses opportunity. Every open garbage bin, every quiet park, holds potential sustenance amidst the human chaos.
The adaptable pilgrim.
Coyotes have made their homes in varied environments from grassy plains to dense forests. Their adaptability is unmatched. With coats that reflect the diverse hues of their homes, they seamlessly move through these landscapes. Always on the move, they remind us of the ever-changing, adaptable nature of life. Each step through the rugged terrain is a testament to their survival skills.
A lone coyote darts across the vast open plains, its silhouette a fleeting ghost against the setting sun. Each stride speaks of journeys past and future, highlighting resilience at its core. Each shifting sand and dancing grass before the coyote is a new chapter. Its fur blends with its surroundings, a harmony of nature and navigator.
A smorgasbord of survival.
Coyotes enjoy a varied diet, playing an essential role in the ecosystem as opportunistic omnivores. From their love of rodents to surprising frugivorous tendencies, this food diversity showcases their role in balancing their habitats. Even in urban spaces, their dietary adaptability helps regulate animal populations and clean streets of refuse, serving as nature's balancers.
Across the open field, a coyote prances, nose close to the ground, searching for its next meal. Its cunning mind carefully identifies opportunities, each a culinary adventure. With each morsel found among forest floors or city streets, the coyote sees life ever shifting and adapting, a testament to survival's demands.
Secrets of the night.
Mostly nocturnal, coyotes use the cover of darkness to their advantage. Their keen senses make them effective hunters in the dim light, avoiding larger predators. While many sleep, they roam, alert to the whispering whines, keeping them attuned to their surroundings. It is in these quiet hours where their stories unfold, unseen yet profoundly written in the night sky.
The world seems to pause under moonlight. The coyote, a spectral figure, moves stealthily across its territory. Its eyes, shining with intelligence, learn from both moonlight and midnight shadows. The night is both cloak and canvas, a safe haven for exploration and reflection. Under the starry sky, the coyote feels the universe's pulse in its paw pads.
The family bond.
Family bonds are strong in coyote social structures, typically monogamous. They demonstrate loyalty rare among mammals. Breeding pairs raise their young with care through their first summer, teaching survival and adaptability. As each pup yawns into the morning sun, it holds a future shaped by learned instincts and parental guidance, securing the continuation of the coyote saga.
Mother coyote, plush with love and diligence, watches over her litter nestled in the safety of the den. Each curious yip is met with nurturing guidance. A dance of guardianship begins. The scent of the earth and the warmth of family are the foundation of this young one's world. Together, these bonds are the wind beneath its future.
Ecosystem architects.
Coyotes play a critical role in ecosystem health, controlling rodent populations and cleaning carrion. As both predator and prey, they maintain balance, reflecting the delicate interplay of life. This equilibrium they help nurture defines biodiversity, challenging ecosystems to grow stronger in harmony.
Silent hunters, coyotes roam their territory, unseen benefactors maintaining life's equilibrium. As rodents scurry, a shadow passes overhead, a dance ending and weaving into the ecosystem's fabric. This role of unseen architect in the grand theater of nature is one of balance, where each life holds a promise to generations unseen.
A tale of symbols.
Coyotes hold a significant place in Native American mythology as wise tricksters and survivors. Their symbolism of adaptability and transformation transcends cultures, reminding us of life's cycles and personal metamorphosis. Each encounter with a coyote brings us closer to understanding resilience's grace and life within transformation's flow.
Throughout ages, stories of the wise and wily coyote have been whispered. Each fable shapes the past and present, its fluid legacy a bridge across time. In every tale told about the cunning coyote, there is a kernel of truth, a lesson of adaptability that keeps life's tapestry vibrant and dynamic.